Black throws it up. It's up. Hodge, and here's Mendoza inside to the wing. Maverick in the land of the confident.
And Coach Tim mentioned that.
Check in here for Coach Tim Cone. Maliksi just pocket pass. Maliksi turns.
In their last 2 games, and so they have to work on being every practice. Their mindset was magtrabaho.
Straight to Banquero. Chop it against the double. They just nice find, chop it. Big to big act. Falling over.
We saw him in that last play. Not so
That's
sure.
testing mind, that's testing our LA for 3 to Quinto. Quinto on the break, stops, pops and hits.
Abilities of the offensive end. Nice pass by LA.
Look for space. It's another turn. A lane. C-stand for 3.
Wow.
Yeah. Nice roll inside. Quinto sets up Banquero.
Now he has 10 points.
Well, he's one of the with his offensive thrust. Newsom. Maverick tries to get inside. Block violation. Here's Newsom once again. From
As deep as he has done now from his bench.
C-stand. 5s to begin the second half. Malonzo stopping, popping, and miss.
Off to the races here.
Open shot, Mendoza.
So here in the second half, they will try other things when it comes to their offense.
Put up the last time out. Today, it's the exact opposite, Coach.
Brgy.Ginebra execute their offense. Of those. Meralco.
12 to 4. Back first. Newsom. Maverick looks for space. He still will challenge. He'll. Maliksi stops. Find Maliksi. Maliksi open for 3.
Wide open.
It's now at 31. Thought about it. Finds Almazan. Almazan extra pass. Maverick finds Japet. Chris to the wing. Maliksi for 3. Maverick will try to create the possession here for the Bolts. And Maliksi said, Maliksi inside. Easy. Karam left open for this long 5 minutes of this one. Sumal launches and hit. Sumal will overshoot. David inside. Pass. Rios. Yeah.